field to create this sidewall boost. Now, I wouldn't copy what I have, because you see that my leaves are coming in souped in. I would actually rather you, this is incorrect. It should be coming in laterally. So don't copy what I have. So I'll do this with you guys so that it'll make sense. All right. I guess kind of reading from what I have so it makes sense. So you're going to copy the original AP field. You're going to create a right sidewall boost. And I'm saying that you want to close the block to the field edge. It says close X2. This is X2. So what I'm wanting to do is close this So I'm wanting to close it to the field edge. Okay, so this is the furthest it goes out. So that's X2. So I can close it even more, right? Because if I don't, all these leaves are going to come in laterally, and you don't need that. Because you're going to have leakage. You're going to have MLC leakage and as not. Okay. All right. In this case, -2 is the highest it'll go. It'll not go any further. So we're going to use MLCs. I'm just going to clip these leaves for visual purposes. But you can see how my leaves are coming in laterally this time, as opposed to coming in souped in. That's what you want. And you do want to close them as much as possible, but I think I showed that -2 is the highest it'll go, which is fine. You can go further, great. If not, yeah, if -2 is the highest you can go, that's fine. I'm not gonna penalize you on that. Does that make sense so far? How am I doing? Okay. All right, so you'll do the same thing. So you got your AP right, correct? Then you copy and oppose it to create your PA. All right, so let's just pretend, I did this. All right, so pretend my leaves aren't correctly oriented, but so you have your AP right. Do the same thing. Now you're going to copy this field, and make another copy, and then you'll close it again. Do you need me to go over that process again, or I think you're good? You guys good? Okay. So same thing, you'll copy it, you'll move your field over as much as you can to block to the field edge, and you'll use MLCs. Because right now you can see that MLCs aren't used. You see how these have these diagonal lines, so any block is used to block, as opposed to MLCs. Okay. So remember how in trial 2, in prescription, we had one prescription for sidewall boost. Well, for trial 3, you're going to have 2. One for the right APPA and one for the left APPA. And then you're going to use the count point. That's why we created 2 count points, one right, one left. So it shouldn't be too bad when doing trial 3. So you're still going to keep 0 for your trial whole pellet, your 4-field pelletus, and you're going to have 180 times 3 on your left lateral, 180 times 3 on your right lateral. So you'll evaluate your planned absolute dose. It's just asking you which isodose line would you use for normalization. That would be for your fourth. So you can normalize if you need to. You don't have to, but if you need to, by all means, normalize. What isodose line would you choose? Is what I'm going to be asking in your report when I'll evaluate. Questions on trial 3 before you go to trial 4? No? Okay. So trial 4 should be the easiest. All you're doing is copying trial 2, right? This trial 2, This is 0 times 25. This is 180 times 3. All you're doing in trial 4 is copying trial 2 and then changing this to 180. That's basically it. Trial 4 is basically a composite. That's all we're trying to do in trial 4 is create that composite. That's why you don't want to delete any beans, because if you did, then you'd have to either recreate the bean or copy it or export, import, and that's just kind of too much work. So it's just best to kind of copy the trials, leave your beans. So that's trial 4. Fairly simple. All you're doing is